What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's another brand new day, and of course, we're going to see how the robot has been performing. So we can see so far it has made a profit of 2,162. So we're going to do another period. So starting from the 27th of June to 28th, let's see how much it made on this day. This day, of course, we can see it has started increasing in the profits that it's making. Now we can see maybe probably because the account has grown, and now it has made, on this day it made 947.88 rands, which is not bad. And now we see we have a total of, starting from the 19th of June to 28th of June, we have a total of 2,529.97 rands. Ladies and gentlemen, that's that. And of course, if you're not following me, ensure you tag along, follow me so that you are updated on how it continues to go. Otherwise, I'm out.